The Pemko Hide Slide is a system made exclusively for sliding barn doors that completely conceals sliding hardware from view. Its minimal design makes the door seemingly float as it effortlessly glides across the door opening. It is ideal for use in hospitality, commercial offices, multifamily, and healthcare applications. This easy-to-install system is compatible with doors up to 176 pounds, between 32 inches to 48 inches wide, and 1 3/8 or 1 3/4 of an inch thick. Additional thicknesses can be accommodated. The system also accommodates clearances of 1/2 inch, 1 inch, and 1.5 inches between the wall and the face of the door. The routing depth, or no routing, will determine door clearance. The patent-pending ADA-compliant Hide Slide features a safety cable to keep the door panel from dropping off its track. It also includes a 6-way adjustable hanger that allows the door to overcome common wall irregularities, a soft close device that eases the door into its open and closed positions, as well as a backup safety stop that comes standard and is hidden from view. The non-marring hard wheels reduce friction when operating. Together with smooth flooring, a bottom door guide, and a bottom guide channel, the Hide Slide seamlessly moves over the opening. For soft floor types like carpet, vinyl, laminate, or uneven surfaces, floor plates and/or shims may be necessary.